Alright guys, I'm running Grail Punt number 366, which is a near mint copy of the boys number 1. It is a very nice copy. So let's go down here and make this live. So the time is 7:27 and the current local time in Perth is 7:27 on 18th of August 2020. Let's grab this list. So we got number 1, which is Quinton. Come down to dark at number 68. So dark at number 68 up to 1 and Quinton. And we got a 3 dice roll. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice round number. Let's get started. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double check that, and we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're up to 8. This is number 9. Number 10, good luck everyone, and winner PM me when they've seen this. Alright, so let's have a look who we got. And the winner is Quinton with the number 1 pick on the board. Congratulations, mate. PM me when you've seen this, and I'll have it out to you tomorrow. Oops, so that was 7:29, and the Perth time is 7:29 on the 18th of August. Yep, and that was number 10 rolls, 10 dice. Thanks, everyone.